Today we are doing a long-term analysis of Marksans Pharma. If you see the stock has given an impulsive move from 9 rupees to 96. And once this trend line was broken on the downside, this impulsive move was over. Before breaking the trend line, you can clearly see that there was a divergence in the chart. This is the divergence between this impulse and this impulse. So after this divergence, the correction has started in this stock. The correction is minimum 3 waves. So, and this was the first wave of this correction. For this correction, once we got a breakout on this, and if this was an impulsive move, this retracement would not be 100% of this first wave, because for an impulsive wave 2 cannot retrace 100% of the first wave. It means this is nothing but just a correction for this impulsive move down, and we are always expecting one more move down that will break this level of 43 again. But this may take some more time, like this was a A wave. After this down wave was B wave, and now C wave is going on. So if you see internally on the daily chart, same wave. Now between this is the C wave. This was A, B, and C. Between this C wave also, if you compare, you can see between this impulse and this impulse there is a divergence, which means that this is A, B, and C, and this can be the last wave. Because once we get divergence, there is a good chance that it will move down. But this will only happen once this wave is over. So if you come internally to the 1 hour, you can see on 1 hour there is no divergence on the chart as of now, and this is going very correctively instead of impulsively. So there is a good chance this top is again cleared in the upside, and price goes above 64 again. But that will be the last wave, and I strongly recommend, as of now, we should not buy in this. And because ultimately, if you see the larger picture says that this is a corrective pattern, and one more down move can come anytime that will break this low. So looking at this, we should not trade the last wave. And if in future, this is just a my analysis, and if we see something else going on in the chart, then we can again update this. Otherwise, as of now, this looks like an impulse correction and one more impulse, pending impulse, that is can break this low.